Yo, what is up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free money in OneState RP. It is perfectly working for both iOS and Android players and no human verification. So let's get started and let me show you how to get OneState RP free money. Okay guys, so I'm entering my OneState RP game and right now I'm gonna show you the amount of money that I'm about to get using the AI tool that we talked about. So this is right now the only working way to get free money in OneState RP. So make sure that you follow each step of this video and you're gonna get it. This is right now the only working way to get free money in OneState RP. Okay, I'm gonna click on the ad right here. Oh my God. There it is. And just look at my resources. Boom. As you can see, I've got free money and coins also. So now let me show you how you can get this amazing app. So head over to your browser and search for the website called tweaker.ai. It is a brand new AI tool. Click on the search bar and just type in OneState and you're going to see the OneState RP. Click on it. Right here, choose the device that you're using. I'm using iOS. Click on the continue. Right here, you need to enter either your email or in-game username. If you enter email, make sure that it is the correct one. Really important. Click on the continue button. Now you need to choose the amount of coins if you want coins and the amount of free OneState RP money you would like to get. Click on the send me the link. And right now it is loading up. It is basically preparing your game for the delivery. In some cases, you're gonna see we couldn't confirm your iOS version. Don't worry, don't close it. 2 minutes of your time, okay? Click on the get button and now follow my steps. You're gonna be redirected to this page. Depending on your device and your country, you may get some different things here. The most important part is that you complete only one of them. Also, make sure that you read those instructions below because it is really important that you do as it says. For example, download Best Play and play 3 games for 5 minutes each inside of it. Click on it and you're going to be redirected to official App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device, of course. And all of those apps are free to use from official publishers. Or some of them have those kind of instructions. You just click on it and they're gonna tell you, click on search the App Store, type in the App Store Lightning link, like in official App Store, and just find DraftKings and download and open it for 30 seconds. Sometimes you will need to complete questionnaire, entering your email, etc. Just make sure that you complete one thing from this list and you're gonna get the fully working OneState RP free money delivered. Thank you guys for watching. Smash that like button if this worked out for you. Peace.